Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 31st, 2021. We're going to talk about Stellar today, give you all the updated price update for this particular cryptocurrency. So welcome to the channel. Yeah, this is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do the price prediction basically just by looking at the price chart. I don't try to come through and confuse each and every one of you because I understand that doesn't benefit you. You need to have something that is simple, easy to see, easy to understand to figure out where price is going to go. So join me, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel to ensure you all stay updated as to where I'm expecting the price to go for these cryptocurrencies. Now take a look. I did a video for Stellar all the way back here on March the 5th, right? And I was playing the weakness into the market. And initially, from the start of my price prediction, following that day, the market in Stellar did go down, right? But it wasn't long. The buyers actually stood up price in a Stellar right here. Right there alongside the trend. You see this? This has been a very long upward ascending line. This trend started all the way back here in March of 2020. This was a very good area to come in and buy the market. Like the market understood, everyone sees this exact same information. So it's not a coincidence for us to see the market in Stellar bounce off of this long-term trend. And not only that, it still gives us confirmation that the trend is still intact. So the long-term purview of Stellar is still one of higher prices because we did not break this trend. So we can really extend this line out further because we know as long as Stellar's price trades above this ascending line, we will always go up forever into perpetuity. It doesn't even matter. This will be an forever ending ascending line. As long as price and Stellar trades above it, we already know what the general environment is going to be. One of increasing value for this currency. All right. So we got that out the way. So if you guys didn't take out the profitability from my video following March the 5th, right there on the ascending line, that's 7.62%. 7.62% right there. Now it only took 2 days. You didn't have 3 weeks to let price drop down to that trend. It was only 2 days. So you really had to be prepared to take the profit right off the table on March the 7th. Because if you didn't have any other opportunity, you'll be down right now around 33-34%. Yes. So I'll try to come through and give you guys multiple price targets because I understand how these markets works. Sometimes it takes weeks, other times it takes days, other times it takes months before you actually see your profitability come to fruition. I understand. That's why so many people get you to hold these cryptocurrencies for the next 20 years because they don't know where price is going to be. If someone is trying to tell you to hold something for the next 20 years, they literally have no idea as to how to formulate what the value of this particular instrument is going to be. No idea. That's just like anyone saying, go ahead and hold this penny for the next 20 years. It's going to be worth more in the next 20 years. Now, let's get back to it though. Let's go ahead and look at the market in Stellar because obviously we got that the overall trend is intact, right? But not only that, Stellar is even in a smaller daily upward trend. So not only are we seeing the long-term trend going up, this price in Stellar is maintaining a bullish trend right now on a daily perspective. This is how bullish this market is in Stellar. We came through, confirmed the trend right there on March the 7th, and the price since then has seen values of around 38%. Now, I know a lot of people may say, it's about time for the sellers to show their faces, for us to show them their hand, right? They need to come through and show us where they are at. And it might come in relatively quick because we already seen the market in Stellar go up 38% in a couple of days. So we're going to hold that line there. We need to hold this trend because once it breaks, we need to be prepared for the buyers. And it looked like it might come in around 22 cents or 20. All right. So whenever the sellers come in and dump their Stellar into the market, be prepared for 22 cents back down to 20. All right. But look at this on a 2 weeks time frame. Let me show you all Stellar on the 2 weeks time frame and show you why the overall gist of this market is still bullish, right? There's a shallow area of restriction I want to prepare you all for, and it is right here. Okay, this is the restriction area in Stellar, around 25 cents. So as I do this price prediction, we need to be prepared for the sellers to show their faces around 26 cents, 25, 26 cents. And we're literally there now. All right. But going forward, we're going to look for Stellar to hold 20 cents. Okay. That's the location that the buyers have a stronghold, that they're not going to try to let the price go any lower than 20 cents. The sellers may have a stronghold around 25, 26 cents. Definitely up here around 30. Okay. So I'm looking for the price in Stellar to go up. I gave you 2 price targets already. I said 25, maybe 26 cents. Then the second level is going to be 30. I think we're almost done with what we expect the market to do in Stellar. So this is Stellar right here on the 2 weeks. This is massively bullish. I'm sorry, on the 3 weeks. This is massively bullish too. So the 2 weeks time frame, and even here on the 3 weeks time frame, the market is showing us that Stellar is still bullish, that the market is still looking to go up, that the environment for this currency is still higher prices. And we're not the ones to get in the way. If the market wants to go up, then guess what? We're going to follow the market. We are followers of the market. We pay attention to price. Take a look at this. This is Stellar on the monthly time frame. We have 12 hours and 59 minutes left before this monthly price bar ends, and it still shows us that this market has strength. And look how important 20 cents is going to be. Like, this 20 cent level goes all the way back since like 2018. And we've seen plenty of months to where price has acted alongside 20 cents. Market was holding 20 cents back in July 2021, even June, and it was acting as restriction back in November of 2020, even on December 2020. So 20 cents is important. Everything's going to hinge on 20 cents, whether or not the market's going to continue to go up or go down. And seeing how we're trading above 20 cents now, it's not rocket science. The market's actually telling us what it's trying to do. Okay, so let me bring this all the way down to 20 cents, because that is going to be important. If the price in Stellar breaks 20 cents to the downside, then the next logical area is the trend, that ascending line. We've already identified that, right? Remember? First area that I told you that we can see the market in Stellar hit where the sellers may be, it's going to be around 25, 26 cents. So I'm bringing up there to around 26. That's around 7.93% profitability. Simple. Simple. That's the first location that we can nibble and try to take some profitability out of the market and place into our accounts. Second area is going to be up here towards 30. That's around 25% movement high in price. Now, from a 2 weeks to a 3 weeks time frame, yes, we can actually see the market in Stellar try to hit that 30 cent price. All right, that's it. Done. So I'm going to go ahead and play the strength into the market in Stellar on this round. We're going to look for the price to continue to go up. Well, at least I am. You don't have to. Yeah, if you think price is going to go anywhere else, then go ahead and tell everybody. Yeah, put up. Show everybody what you think the market in Stellar is going to do with a comment in the comment section. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.